At installation diary of SPC flooring. Clean the ground thoroughly before paving. Measurement and cutting.
美工刀划多2下，用力就掰断了。
Every piece of flooring must be fastened tightly. Use a rubber mallet to tap the clits tight. Measure and cut the curved corners. Cut the curved flooring with a cutting machine. Tap the clits tight with a rubber mallet. Be sure to leave an expansion gap along the wall. Let's take a look at the final renovation result.
Nice.